This is the day that the Lord has made, okay? Good morning, guys. It is December the 13th, okay? And this is Vlogmas day 13. But y'all already know, for me, it's probably like Vlogmas day 9. But anyways, either way, well, anywho, today is a beautiful day already. I am just so happy and feeling good, even though it's a rainy day. Y'all, this is the day that the Lord has made, okay? So we will rejoice, okay, and be glad in it, okay? So right now I am about to head to the kitchen and we are about to eat. God bless you. So we're about to head to the kitchen. She's about to eat her solids. So she's gonna eat some pears on this beautiful morning. I sure did. Say pears. Ooh. Mama. Alright, so I'm feeding Mia, and I think when it comes to like pears, they are a little, I don't want to say sour, but they have like a tartness to them. Yeah, about a tartness to them, and so that's why she be like. This is day 3 with pears, so we'll switch it up tomorrow. All right, so we are in her room. Since we are staying home, I just want to do something like simple for her outfit. Nothing crazy. I really don't try to do crazy stuff for Mia at all. So let's see. I might put on her Daddy's Girl Hear Me Roar and some jeans and call it a day. So we'll probably do Daddy's Girl Hear Me Roar, cute little baby jeans, and I like these jeans because they are comfortable, they're very soft, and she doesn't seem to complain about them. So we'll probably do these, some socks, and a little bow. So I got her pretty much ready for the day. That's what she got on. So she has that. I'm gonna go ahead and let her play and have some fun. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and read to her because I haven't read to her this morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and read a book to her, and yeah, someone's getting sleepy. That's why you're frowning. Someone needs a nap. So it's about 9:30. We just read our book, and Mia is grumpy, okay? So that's how I know it's probably time for her to take her first nap of the day. So we are about to go ahead and take a nap. So I'm gonna get her ready for nap and put her down and all that good stuff. So yeah.